Hey music lovers, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best electric guitar amplifier for your creative journey. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Rowan PD30. Let's get started. Product feature: powerful dual speakers. This amp combines a 30-watt full-range speaker with a 10-watt high-frequency speaker to deliver a rich, balanced audio experience that captures every nuance of your performance with incredible depth and clarity. Smart connectivity. With built-in OTG and Bluetooth functionality, you can seamlessly play along to your favorite backing tracks or integrate your mobile devices for a modern, connected jamming session anywhere you go. Versatile input options. Whether you're plugging in a microphone, an electric guitar, or an acoustic instrument, the dedicated inputs and 6.35mm stereo interface ensure professional-grade connections for every setup. Full-spectrum sound. A wide frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz means you hear the full range of your instrument's tone, from the deepest lows to the crispest highs, ensuring nothing gets lost in the mix. Practice and recording ready. Features like the headphone jack for silent practice and the DI out for direct recording give you total control over your sound environment, making it perfect for home studios and private sessions. Truly portable design. Built to be compact and lightweight, this amplifier is your perfect travel companion. It's designed for musicians on the move who need professional sound without the heavy lifting of traditional gear. Rechargeable battery power. The 2200 mAh internal battery provides hours of uninterrupted play, while the DC 12-volt interface allows for quick recharging, so you're always ready for your next gig or practice session whenever inspiration strikes. Pros. The Rowan PD30 is a dream for those who value versatility. It's rare to find an amp that treats both acoustic and electric tones with equal love. The inclusion of OTG recording and Bluetooth makes it feel like a modern tool for the digital age, while the built-in battery truly liberates you from wall outlets, allowing your music to flourish in any setting you choose. Cons. While the 30-watt output is fantastic for practice and intimate sessions, it might struggle to cut through a very loud drum kit in a large venue. Also, its compact frame means it doesn't have the massive low-end rumble of a 12-inch cabinet, but it compensates with incredible portability. Final thoughts. Finding an amplifier that feels like a true partner in your musical growth can be tough, but this one hits all the right notes. It's about more than just volume. It's about having the freedom to create whenever inspiration strikes. Whether you're practicing in your bedroom or sharing your heart at a small gathering, this amp provides the reliability and warmth your talent deserves. Your music deserves to be heard in its best light. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Best Product and like this video.